look how juicy this thing is. Man, it's got a beautiful smoke ring. Man, this is gonna be good. Hey, it's Kip here. Well, today we're gonna be doing some barbecuing. Barbecuing made easy, that's right guys. Today we're gonna be using an old converted LP grill. I mean, this thing, I pulled out the junk, took all the gas and stuff unit, all that stuff out of it, and converted it just to charcoal, lump coal, whatever you got. I normally use this unit on my with my grill grates to do a high sear for steaks and burgers and that kind of thing. But today we're going to offset it, and I'm going to show you guys here in a little bit. We're going to be getting a I got a bone-in butt for pulled pork sandwiches, pulled pork tacos, whatever I decide to use it for. But today we're going to be doing basically an offset cook. And we're going to get this pulled pork sandwiches and stuff made out of this butt, and it's going to be good, guys. So let's get started. All right, you guys, let's take a look at what I'm working with today for the barbecue. Like I said earlier, we're going to do a bone-in pork shoulder butt for pulled pork sandwiches, pulled pork tacos, whatever you want to use it for. We're going to keep it simple. This is a Walmart reduced. This is about a 6.82 pound pork butt. And I got it for $7.04 at Walmart. Can you believe that? It looks really good. There is a bone in there. I keep it real simple, guys. I don't do too much to my pulled pork. Let's get this out of here. Let's get this out of the package here. I mean, this is a good piece of meat for $7. I'm telling you what, for $7 you cannot go wrong, guys. Let's get that out of here. Biggest thing is watching your cross-contamination. Obviously, wear gloves. Right now, I'm just going to do some injection. Keep it simple. I just use apple juice. Nothing fancy, guys. Just your generic dollar store apple juice or Walmart or wherever you go. Put some apple juice in that sucker. Man, it's going to be good. And then obviously, I'm going to do a rub. And I use several different rubs. This particular rub that I'm going to be using today, make sure you get a lot of juice around that bone right there too. Put some apple juice right to it. It'll just keep it nice and tender. And you'll see the grill here shortly. Nothing fancy, guys. I'll throw it on the rack for a while. I'm just using lump coal and regular barbecue briquettes, and then after a while I'm going to put it into a pan, and then I will wrap it in the pan. Keep all the juices in there. Alright, that's enough of that. Not too much, just a little bit of apple juice in there. I'll pull this glove off. We're going to put some rub on there. This is not my personal rub. This is a company that I've been using for a little bit of while, you know, for a little bit of time now, and I really like. We'll talk about it at a different time. It is a little hot. Not flaming hot, not burn your mouth hot, but it is a little bit hot. And let me get this turned over. Get all the sides, guys, really, really good. I don't do any trimming. I'll put this side down, the fat side down, right on the grill. And then once I get that in the pan, I'll keep the fat side down. All the juices will run out of that. And when I pull it, you'll see it'll all break down. The bone will come flying right out of it. We'll get her all broke down and shred it up into some pulled pork. I'm telling you what, guys, this is really going to be good. So let's head out to the grill. Keep it simple, guys. You don't have to overdo it. Some guys use mustard. You can make your own rubs. You can just use salt and pepper. You can use whatever you got laying around, guys. Alright. That looks really good. So let's head out to the grill and get it on there and get it started. Alright guys, this is an old converted gas grill. You've seen some Instagram videos. I usually have some grill grates in there going about 500-600 degrees. Today we're offset. I got some lump coal in there. I got some briquettes in there. And a couple old bricks in there to kind of offset the heat and stuff. And as you seen just a little bit ago, we prepped out this butt, bone-in butt with the fat on it. I'm going to put the fat side down and just let this go for like an hour or so. I may rotate it a few times. I'm thinking 4 hours or so. This thing will be just tender and juicy. But I'm going to put it back in the pan here after about an hour or so. Spritz it with some apple juice and some apple vinegar. I've already injected it with, as you've seen in the video, with the apple juice, and I already put my rub on it. So let's get it started here, guys. This is going to run about 225, maybe 250 degrees. So let's just get this roll right on. Put the fat side down. We're just going to let this thing go, guys. It's going to be really good. So let's get started. I'll probably come back in about an hour, add some briquettes to this. We'll keep checking this. We'll spin it a little bit here and there. And I'm going to put it right back in the pan, and after a while I'm going to wrap it. Spritz it with some apple juice. This thing is going to be fabulous. It's going to be delicious and tender. I can't wait to eat some pulled pork tacos and some pulled pork sandwiches. So let's get started, guys. All right, it's been about an hour now, and I want to get it into the pan and get the apple juice and apple cider mix spritz onto it, and then that way it can cook just right in the juices. Man, this thing's going to be good. Let's get it right in the pan there, and I'll set the pan right in there. And I will come out and rotate this quite often, actually. Look at that. Man, that's going to be good. All right, guys, let's give it some more time. Take a look at this. I just put a few more briquettes on there. I'm going to flip it over. Put the fat side up for a little while. Let that render right on through. Wow, look at that. Man, that's going to be good. We're going to let that fat render. I started it with the fat side down. Some people start with the fat side up. I go both ways with the fat on that. So this time I'm flipping it over. We're going to let that render down into the pan. And then I'm going to flip it back over another hour or so and then wrap it. A little more spritz with the apple juice, apple cider mix, and then we're going to let her finish out. As soon as I can give a tug on that bone and it comes right apart, we'll be making ourselves some tacos or sandwiches. It's going to be good. All right, guys, let's take a look at this. Oh, man. That is looking good. I'm going to put the fat side back down. We're going to wrap it to finish out. Man, that's going to be so good. Look how juicy that thing is getting. Oh my gosh. Give it a little bit of spritz. Threw some baked potatoes on here just to add to the dinner tonight. Let's wrap this sucker up. Probably another hour or so. We'll temp it, and then we'll see if the bone loosens up or not. So stay tuned. Anyways, guys, I just want to show you, it's been about 6 hours. This thing's been running about 225. 250. You can see the bone. Yeah, I already pulled a big chunk off it. The bone's lifted and separated. I'm going to bring this in and just shred it up in the juices. Make me some pulled pork tacos. Man, this thing's going to be good, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm trying to wrap it up. It's starting to get dark out. It took about 6 hours to complete this bone-in pork butt. About 7 pounds, but with this kind of setup, I mean, you can't really, it's not like my offset smoker. But I just want to show you guys you can pretty much slow barbecue or just barbecue just about anything for hardly any money, you know. These briquettes, I just add about every hour. I add a scoop in there and keep it about 250 degrees, roughly around there, but it come out really well. It's juicy and tender, as you can see in the video. Man, I'm going to take it in, shred it up, make some tacos and stuff with it. Tomorrow we'll probably do some pulled pork sandwiches. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like videos like this, please like and share them. If you're not a subscriber of mine, hit that, smash that subscribe button, and ring that bell. You'll see all the videos I got coming up. We got a lot more kettle corn videos coming up, a lot more barbecue videos coming up, and a lot more do-it-yourself videos coming up. As always, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. As always, you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.